how to get Dark Shards in Terraria. So you cannot get this item early game. It is strictly locked behind hard mode. So you must first defeat the Wall of Flesh in the Underworld to convert your mode or your world into hard mode. Second is locate a corrupted desert or a crimson desert. So I have mine right here. And if your original desert did not get infected like this, you must artificially spread the biome yourself using evil seeds or a contaminator. So I used contaminator earlier to infect my desert right here. So as you can see, you just simply need some solutions. So the purple solution spreads the corruption. So you just simply need to do this to spread the corruption. And once inside an evil desert, you need to farm specific enemies. And your absolute best targets are the dark mummies right here, or blood mummies and the crimson. So they have exactly a 10% chance to drop a dark shard upon death. So let's try killing some. So I didn't get any for that. So just simply repeat the process and kill some mummies till you get the dark shard. And if you're underground, you can also kill dark lamia, which also drops the dark shard. Though surface mummies are the fastest and most reliable method to do this. So to speed up the brutal grind, you can place a water candle right here. So I'm just going to place a table first, and I'm going to put the candle and also a battle potion to force maximum spawn rates, just like that. I'm just also going to increase the crimson and the desert right here, just to have more spawns of the mummies. Now once you've killed enough, as you can see, they will drop some dark shards right there. You just simply repeat the process until you're satisfied with the amount that you have. I'm just going to collect it right here. Now once you have these dark shards, you can now craft powerful early hard mode weapons like the Onyx Blaster. And that is how you basically get dark shards in Terraria.